A homemade cockling rake. Whoa. This is the Cockle Rake version 2.0. After a pre-Christmas fishing session, it was time to replenish the bait freezer with some cockles, also known as pippies. That's a better one. Gonna need that. This broom handle. Perfect. Last minute decision to go cockling tomorrow. We don't have any cockle rakes, but here's a makeshift little rake using a scaling bag and 3 coat hangers. Okay, I know what you're thinking. It's not pretty, but just keep watching. It's going to work. So we've got our nets, got our buckets, and cockle measurers. Rightio, here we are, Goulburn Beach. Here to catch some cockles for bait. Got Cleo and B-Boy with us, and our 2 furry friends at the back. Hey doggies! All right, we found our spot. Pretty clear from everybody. Just gives the dogs space to run around. A homemade cockling rake. and out of the net. That's what you get when you plan things last minute. Look at those two. All right, just keep an eye on that, all right? That's where we're gonna put our cockles. Oh yeah, there's a few here, Cleo. So basically shuffle, once you find where they are, shuffle, get your net, let the receding wave push them out into that net. Oh, we got our first one. Hey. So this is where the story took a funny turn. We were at the back of the car and I could see a large fish rolling around in the waves. So he ran over to it, only to find it was a fish, but it wasn't alive. I don't know what that is. It's almost... Yeah, I thought it was like a propeller or hit it or fishing line, I don't know. There's no stab wounds or anything. Something's had a go at it, but couldn't get through. Stay tuned because this isn't the only weird thing that happened that day. Nice work! There's 2 sets of waves. Cleo, what's that? Oh my gosh, a seal! This is... Get out! Danger, don't! Don't, danger! Go, off you go, buddy! He's just frolicking around, he doesn't care what's going on. How cool is that? Little pup seal. He's looking for his dolphin friend, eh? That's cool! Although where there's seals, there's likely sharks, so let's not get too deep. As well as seals and dolphins, whales are also spotted in this area at certain times in the year. That's so cool. Just make sure the dogs don't get to him. Swim along, buddy. You're going the wrong way. Oh, that is so cute. What are the chances there's a baby dolphin and a pup seal here? I don't know. I'm not so sure about crowds getting around it.
Maybe we crowd around.
He's going the wrong way. Yeah, I've got a group over there going. Everyone wants a seal selfie.
Oh my god!
Oh, whoa! Holy crap! Good job, Cleo. Right, so that's us done for the morning. We have got enough cockle to last us over summer at least, and that's a few fishing sessions as well. So how do you think that homemade cockle rake went, Cleo?
I actually liked it. That's good though.
So the quota is per day 300 per person, or maximum 900 per car with 3 people in there. Just make sure you measure each one. Anything that's questionable, just throw it back. Only take what you need. This is the Cockle Rake version 2.0. So I've taken apart the old one. I found the coat hanger style was a little bit too flimsy. Here you can see I've used 12mm aluminium tubing. I made a jig to basically get these bends. So basically here. Whoa! Not perfect, but that's pretty strong. It's 10 centimeters high, half a meter wide. You can see it's slightly too big, so I actually couldn't fit the entire net around it. So I've had to weave the last bit in with a bit of twine. Reinforce the mouth with some old garden hose. The upside is it's bigger than the ones you buy at the shops. Cheap, just used old materials I had at home. The downside is the holes on the net. It's not gonna let the small ones out. So I need to make sure I measure and release all the small cockles straight away in the water.
As the waves go out, put the net down and you kick them off.
So we've been here 15 minutes and already we've got a few hundred. So you can see here, I'm picking out only the big ones. There are clearly some small ones in here that I'm going to have to put back in the water as soon as possible. Anytime I think it's too borderline and I go to check it, even there's those small ones can go back into the water.